Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix story frame sticker option not showing in Instagram. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your Google Play Store, then search here Instagram. If your Instagram not up to date, update from here. Press on update. After completion, go back, open your settings, go to the apps, then search here Instagram. Press on force stop, press on force stop, press on storage, press on clear data. Before clearing the data, read this sentence. This app data will be permanently deleted. This includes files, settings, databases and other app data. Then press on OK. After doing this, open your Instagram. That's it guys, so in this way you fix frame sticker not showing in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.